Hello, friend. Welcome back. Our new section. In this section, we just describe about the settings of our admin. Not a difficult things to do. Just click the settings and look at that. Actually, no page I will be created. So better first yeah, here look at that route is already created but not initialize the function of our controller. So let's go to our VS Code. In our VS Code, so better we will just clean our file actually and go to our step by step. Look at the admin profile, and also I will needed structure profile controller. I just copy managed to copy and paste. And because of that, we are already worked in here, but not required for. Just need to be copy. Look at the settings, and setting will be implemented in here. Index store better. Here, just put here setting. Back in instructor, not an instructor. You will keep here in admin profile setting, but here file will be created. So better go to our here not login required instructor. Here is the setting.blade.php. We just need to be copy and just paste to our admin. Here is the page will be blank, and I just keep about one things here. Backend instructor.master, not an instructor. You just put here admin user profile, not an user profile. You always keep for the right direction. Here is my admin. Maybe instructor will be here in user, so I make it correct after later. So there instructor password setting, not instructor password setting. You will keep admin password setting. Here better error current password, and I hope that everything will be okay. So I will also implement here password setting function. It will be our post request. Okay. So now just paste our function password update request. The class initializes will be missing. So password update request, password update request. Yeah. And yes, let's check for the browser. Go to our browser. There was our browser, and just once again keep reload. And look at that, the page is coming. So better I'll be check is and everything. Our current password was password, so just paste it. A new password will keep password one, and confirm password is keep password one. So better just make it update. Yes, password updated successfully. I hope it will be work. Now check for this is our old password, and just 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Is it work or not? I hope the database is updated. Yes, the new password field must be at least 8 character. I hope that it will be work. You can check it. Otherwise, you face any issue. Don't worry. I provide all of the source code GitHub repo after the video description. You will get or something you will be like of your full source code. Just comments in below, and also you will jump to the dev explorers, devexplorer.xyz. Actually the whole project I will be initialized in here. Yeah, you can check it. So friend, it will be our it was my admin sorry client project, and I will show each and everything and completed all of the necessary things, and the clone actually. This is the replica of Udemy, and here you can check it. You can review for this etc, and also make some contact. Here you just jump to this link and go to the all contact. Your essential information you will be put in here, and I will try to get feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for you, and And next section, I will be discuss about how to manage this font end category, subcategory. Actually, CRUD. Admin will insert category data. Admin will insert subcategory data. So let's see for the next video. So thank you so much.